Welcome to our tutorial on integrating Zoho Books with your Shopify store. On the Shopify App Store, locate and click the Install button to begin. Select a plan that best fits your business needs. Navigate to the Settings page via the left menu. Here, you'll need to enter your client ID and client secret. Visit the provided address to generate your credentials. Click the Get Started button. Choose server-based applications. Enter a client name in this field. Provide your homepage URL. Specify your authorized redirect URIs. Hit the Create button to generate your IDs. Once displayed, copy both the client ID and client secret. Return to Shopify and input your client ID and client secret. Select your preferred data center. Save your settings to proceed. You'll be redirected to Zoho Books. Log in and accept the necessary permissions. After granting permissions, you'll be taken back to the settings page. Here, you can view and select your organization. Click Save and Continue to confirm your choice. Adjust additional settings as needed and save them. Alternatively, you may skip this step if you prefer. You can also save or skip this settings. Congratulations! Your store is now successfully set up with Zoho Books. Thank you for following along. If you have any question of confusion, please visit our FAQ page, where you will find the answer of most common queries.